morning, everyone. The last class we were doing addition of algebraic expressions. Let us start subtraction of algebraic expressions today. Write a question. Subtract five x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. So you can write the question now. Subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. See, we have to subtract this first expression from the second one. Let us use the symbols now. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. From this expression, we have to subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. From this second expression, which is given in the question, we have to subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. That is the first one. Here, a bracket is given. You have to put this bracket here, otherwise the sign will be different. Okay, so 7x square minus 4xy, we can once again write this 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now, this 5 is positive. When we multiply with this minus 1, it becomes minus 5x square. In case of subtraction, you have to take care of this. Okay, minus, now this is minus 4y square. When you multiply this minus inside, it becomes plus 4y square. Then minus into plus, it becomes minus 6y. Then minus into minus, it becomes plus 3. Each term of this expression to be multiplied with minus 1. The meaning of this minus sign is we are multiplying the second bracket with minus 1. Okay, so subtracting this minus 1 into 5 minus 5x square minus 1 into minus 4, it becomes plus 4y square minus 1 into plus 6 it becomes minus 6y, minus 1 into minus 3 it becomes plus 3. Now we have to group the like terms. Which are the like terms here? We have to rearrange the expression by writing or grouping the like terms. Which are the like terms? Seven x square and here minus 5x square. Let us group them. Then the next term is minus 4xy. Here no term to group with this. So let us consider the next one. 8y square. Here it is 4y square. So plus 8y square plus 4y square. Then the next term we can group is minus 3y minus 6y. Then the remaining terms are minus 4xy. Then plus 5x plus 3. Okay, grouping the like terms. 7x square minus 5x square plus 8y square plus 4y square minus 3y minus 6y, then minus 4xy plus 5x plus 3. Now what is 7x square minus 5x square? 7x square minus 5x square. Give your answer. 7x square minus 5x square. It is 2x square. Then plus 8y square plus 4y square. Eight plus 8y square plus 4y square. y square. Then minus 3y minus 6y. Minus 3y minus 6y. See, both are negative terms. If both are negative terms, we have to add the numbers and then put the symbol of this terms. So what I have to do? Both are negative. See, this term is negative, this term is negative. If both are of same sign, add the numerical values, that is 3 plus 9. Since both are negative, we have to put the negative symbol, so it is minus 9y. Okay, then the remaining terms we cannot add or subtract them as they are not like terms. So we have to write them as it is, 5x plus 3. This is the answer. Okay, let us move to the next one. Subtract 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx from 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. Seven xy plus 5yz minus 3zx from 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. So first we have to write 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. Then subtract. From this expression, you have to subtract 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. So this we can write as 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y minus this minus, here it is positive 7, so minus into this one gives minus 7xy, minus into plus, it becomes minus 5yz, then minus into minus, it becomes plus 3zx. Now group the like terms. How can you group the like terms? Which are the like terms here? Which are the terms to be grouped? Along with 4yz, plus 5yz. Okay, 4yz minus 5yz. Then the next is plus 9zx. Along with this, along with 9zx, it is plus 3zx. Then the remaining two terms are unlike terms, so let us write it here. Minus 4y minus 7xy. Okay, this is equal to, what about this 4yz minus 5yz? Four yz minus 5yz. Z plus yz. Okay, minus 1 yz. Since the coefficient is 1, no need to write it. We can write this as minus yz. No need to write that minus 1 yz. We can write it as minus yz. Then what about these two terms? 9zx plus 9zx plus 3zx. It is 12zx. So plus 12zx. Then minus 4y minus 7xy. So this is the answer. Okay, let us move to the next one. Third question. Subtract 9x minus 10 from 7x square minus 4x plus 5. 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Seven x square minus 4x plus 5. From this expression we have to subtract 9x minus 10. So we can write this as 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Then minus 1 into plus 9, it is minus 9x. Minus into minus, it becomes plus 10. Now group the like terms here. First term 7x square, not having any like term to it. So minus 4x minus 9x. These two terms are like terms. Then plus 5 plus 10. Along with the 7x square, no like term is there. So let us write that. No need to write this in the as the last term. Okay. So let us write 7x square first. Then what about this minus 4x minus 9x? Minus 4x minus 9x. Okay, it is minus 13x. Minus 13x. Then 5 plus 10. What about the last two terms? 5 plus 10, 15. So it is plus 15. Plus 15. So this is the answer. Is it clear now? Subtraction. Subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. Find the product of, write this as a question, find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Product of the following pairs of monomials. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Write as the first one 4 and 7p. Four and 7p. So we have to find the product of 4 and 7p. To find the product, we have to write this as 4 into 7p, which is equal to, first we have to multiply the numerical coefficients of, this is a monomial, this one is also a monomial. We have to multiply the numerical coefficient of both the monomials. So what is 4 into 7? 4 into 7. It is 28. While multiplying, you have to consider the sign also. Here both are positive, so the answer will also be positive. 4 into 7, it is 28, and p in this term there is no algebraic factor, so we have to write this p along with this. So the answer is 28p. Okay, to multiply two monomials, we have to multiply the numerical coefficients first and then multiply the algebraic factors. Here the numerical coefficients are 4 and 7. So 4 into 7 gives 28. In the first expression there is no algebraic factor. So we have to write this p in the answer. So the answer is 28p. Let us consider another one. Minus 4p and 7p. Can you give the answer? First we have to multiply the numerical factors. So here the numerical factor is minus 4. Here in the second one it is 7. So minus 4 into 7. It is minus 28. Okay, one number is negative and the other one is positive. So minus into plus gives minus. 4 into 7, 28. So it is minus 28. Now we have to multiply the algebraic factor. P into P. P is multiplied twice. So how can we write it? It is not equal to P square. Okay, P is multiplied twice. P into P. So it is equal to P square. Minus 28 P square. This is the answer. Now another one. Minus 4P and 7PQ. Minus 4P and 7PQ. Give your answer. Okay, it is. See, minus multiplying the numerical coefficients, minus 4 into 7, which is equal to minus 28. Then P into P, it becomes P square, and Q only one time. So we have to write this Q. It is, answer is minus 28 P square Q. Okay, now the next one. It is 4P cube into minus P. 4P cube and minus 3P. 4P cube and minus 3P. What's the product? What's the product of this? 4P cube into minus 3P. Is it plus 12? Four into minus 3, which is minus 12. Then P cube into P, it is, here P is multiplied 3 times, here 1 more time. So the total 4 times, we have to write this as P raised to 4. Minus 12 P raised to 4. Okay, now the next one is 4P and 0. Four P and 0. So what I have to do, 4p multiplied by 0 gives, the coefficient is 4 into 0, it is 0. 0 into whatever it is, numerical factor or algebraic factor, the answer is 0. Okay, now the next one. Find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. Find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. First one is P and Q. Length is given as, length of the rectangle is given as P and breadth of the rectangle is given as Q. Area is equal to, what's the formula for finding area of a rectangle? If the length and breadth are given, what's the formula for finding area? It is length into breadth. So which is equal to, here the length is given as P and breadth is Q. So we can write this as PQ square units. Area is equal to length into breadth. Length is given as P units, breadth is given as Q units. So area is equal to P into Q, PQ square units. Another one, 4x and 3x square. Length is given as 4x and breadth is given as 3x square. Find out the area. Length is 4x and breadth is 3x square. Okay, it is 3 4s are 12, x into x square, which is x cube square units. One more question. 3mn and 4np. So it is 3mn into 4np, where 3 into 4 is 12, m only one time, n into n we can write this as n square, then p, that much square units. Now the next one. Find the volume of the rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height. Following length, breadth and height respectively. First one, xy, 2x square y and 2xy square. Length is given as xy, breadth is 2x square y and the height is given as 2xy square. Volume of rectangular boxes or cuboidal boxes. How can you find the volume? If length, breadth and height are given, L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height. Volume of a cuboid. It is length into breadth into height. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. What about the answer here? Multiplying all these three terms, three monomials. Give your answer. Xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. Multiply the numerical coefficients. Here the numerical coefficient is 1 as there is no other number. So it is 4. 2 into 2. It is 4. Numerical factor of the product is 4. Now x is here 1 time. In this 2 times. In this term it is 1 time again. So total 4 times. X raised to 4. Y once, here twice, then again twice. So total 4 times. 4 x raised to 4, y raised to 4 cubic unit. Four x raised to 4, y raised to 4. One more question. 5a 3a square and 7a raised to 4. B is equal to LBH. L into B into H. You can give your answer. 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to 4. Okay, it is 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 7, 105. Then a 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So a 7 times that much cubic units. Okay, one more question. Obtain the product of a minus a square a cube. Obtain the product of a minus a square a cube. a into minus a square into a cube. Answer is, since it is a as the first term, its numerical coefficient is 1. Here it is minus 1. Here it is 1. So the product of 1 into minus 1 into minus into 1 is minus 1. Total a repeated 6 times. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. So it is minus 1 a raised to 6, or you can write this as minus a raised to 6. Now try one more question. 2 4y 8y square then 16y cube. 2 4y 8y square 16y cube. First we have to multiply the numerical coefficients. 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. What about the product? Okay, it is 1024 y raised to 6. I hope you enjoyed this class. Let us meet with another interesting topic tomorrow. Thank you for joining.